This video is sponsored by Hoover, and I'm sharing some of my deep cleaning tricks that has been a great help to me as far as keeping my home clean and tidy. You may have seen me use my Hoover One Power Evolve 2 Pet Elite Cordless Vacuum Kit. This is my go-to for so many reasons. It's lightweight and it's easy to carry around my home, and it comes with a lithium battery, and it has an indicator light to help keep up with how much time you have. It is super useful. Our massive sectional, I have a love-hate affair with it because I cannot clean and dust underneath it, but I have a solution. I'm using my mini blower. Yep, I'm blowing the dust out. Watch carefully. You will see some dust. Honestly, I like to vacuum at night because I can see better, especially with these LED headlights on the vacuum. Ugh, you won't miss a crumb, trust me. This is the main area where we sit and watch TV, and for some reason it just gets really dusty. So I do this like maybe once a week. But you know, if you guys are having trouble struggling with trying to keep your home clean and you're feeling overwhelmed when you're trying to clean and organize your home, start with a really small task. You may feel a little disappointed, but just remember your goal, no matter how big or small, do one task at a time. You will feel and see a huge difference. It's about building a routine rather than concentrating on all the tasks you have going on. I'm using this cleaner by Uniters. It's for cleaning fabric, leather, and even wood. It's water-based. That's why you can use it on the surfaces I just mentioned. It's always best to pre-test for color fastness on a hidden area on your sofa. I've cleaned mine before, so I'm safe. Our sofa is a place that most of us forget to clean because we're always sitting on them. It's just the last thing that's on my mind anyway. But if you have leather, that's one of the things you want to keep up because it's an investment. Leather is very expensive, and that's something that you definitely want to keep up. So I'm going in with this sponge, going in circular motions, and I'm using a lint-free cloth to wipe off the excess. The Florida sun is beaming on our sofa, so I'm using this leather conditioner, and this will help to prevent cracks and ensuring that our leather remains soft and flexible. Another place where we forget to deep clean is the cup holders and the storage compartments. It's not super bad, I've seen worse. And I'm going in with some Meyer lemon. It smells like spring, you guys. It smells so good. It doesn't smell like an artificial lemon scent. It's really refreshing, and it's from Williams-Sonoma. You may pay a little more, but to me, I think it's worth it. Be sure to remove those cup holders. It's best to take it out because crumbs and whatnots can be stuck underneath the holder, and it just takes seconds just to wipe it down. Movie snacks storage is forever needing attention, and I'm giving this a good wipe down too. Wooden cooking utensils and wooden cutting boards is something that we all forget to clean. It is so important to do this from time to time because they can accumulate oils and foods that you cannot see most of the time. Any wooden spoons that have a split, please get rid of them. Particles can fall into your food and you don't even realize it. We don't want any accidents. Definitely want to boil you some hot water and soak your spoons for about 20 minutes. You can kind of already start to see, doing this will expand your spoons, pulling out the oils and food particles. This was very satisfying to do because you get to see all that oil and food. Well, you'll see in a minute. While that's soaking, I'm going to jump on and clean my favorite cutting board. It gets tons of use on the daily, as you can see, and I'm sure these ingredients you guys already have on hand, so there's no excuses. Lemon, baking soda, be generous, and salt. Squeeze a lemon and use it as a scrubber, and just go to town and scrub and rinse. The time has come to take the spoons out of the bowl. Need I say more? Ooh. Now I want to give it a really good bath using some Dawn soap because it cuts grease. Give your spoons a nice scrub. Let them air dry before putting any food grade oil on them. Don't throw away your lemon skin. I like to use it as a deodorizer for my garbage disposal. Just cut it up into small pieces, add a little baking soda and ice. That will help to keep the blade sharp, and your garbage disposal will smell fabulous. I hope you guys got your reminders to deep clean those areas in your home, and I'll be sure to leave a link to Hoover down below in my description box. And I want to thank you all for watching.